नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
लगा जैसे एक धमाका हुआ है।
बोले तो एक
और निकलते।
दादा है ग्राउंड फ्लोर में है, हार्टिंग के पीछे।
मैं ये सब दोबारा बना सकता हूँ। तुम सिर्फ एक लाश हो मेरे बिना। तुम ऐसे नहीं मानोगे।
नेक्स्ट लेवल ड्रॉप हो रहे हैं। उसकी एनर्जी खत्म हो रही है।
ये नामुमकिन है।
वो नैनाइट्स
मुझे मजबूर मत करो।
अरे यार,
हाँ तुमने मुझे ढूंढ लिया, पर अब तुम नहीं बचोगे।
तू सुन रहा है कि नहीं? आराम से। इस बार कार बैटरी यूज नहीं की अपन ने। तेरे को बता नहीं सकता अपन को कित पूछेगा मेरी सजनी किधर है, लेकिन कमाल हो गया। सेटिंग जरूर की है। स्टेमिना पता ना क्या होता है नहीं। तू समझ भी रहा है कि नहीं? पहले तेरा स्टेमिना हमने किया है और इसे सब कुछ याद भी है। जानती हो ना इसका चेहरा कहाँ घुसा पड़ा था? इसकी खुद की।
हाँ, एक सपने जैसा।
सही कहा।
हम क्या थे, हमने क्या किया? हाँ, वो पूरी तरह से गलत था, लेकिन हम क्या बन सकते?
How's that shit feel, old man? Huh? Get a tracker on him! Coming up!
There he is.
Can't see it! Jesus, man, right or left?
Left.
You'll have signal in 3, 2.
Done. Stable. It's okay.
Do I know you?
Apologies. I'm Dr. Emil Harding. This is my...
Dete.
Will you look at me, please?
Submacular hemorrhaging. There's no redness.
Remember anything?
Anything's kind of broad.
Serial number?
Of course.
The U.S. military.
My Arlington Doc.
It is, but you got yourself killed.
I'll play along. He's waiting for me to call him. Somebody must.
It's difficult for me to tell you this.
Only anonymously donates remains of soldiers who... Sometimes you just gotta rip off the Band-Aid. Helps.
The history to have a future. Listen to me. You have been given something.
What are we doing all the way out here, Doc?
Focuses on rebuilding the most important asset in the U.S. Explorers on a new frontier. We do neuroprosthetics, which enhance the way they react. Greatest human advancement of all time. May I?
Yeah.
Now look at this. Biomechanical constructs. We call biology. Most notably, they react very...
They are your blood.
We had some success applying them to...
Of course you did.
Well, just like our own body.
The effort they make, the more energy they consume.
What's that?
Trying to save that mouse.
The early results were suboptimal.
Maybe we...
Ability to recharge when they're running low.
Because of who you were and what you did.
Listen, when I was a boy, within 6 months. Instead of dwelling on what I'd lost, his arm, he gets a better one. Is our rehab facility, where patients come to test reconstruction later, and she now breathes. Tibbs here graduated from Fort Benning, top of his took his sight. We've since remedied that with herbs, which means now he sees everything. Ex-Navy SEAL, Jimmy lost both his feet.
You and every other Navy SEAL.
Enhanced.
Where are you going?
Cover. Jimmy, will you walk him back to his room, please?
Wow, they spared every expense.
You'll find out when you're ready.